Wala? Ano to? Oh. Get some bread. Wait a minute. I give you bread. You get one bread, guys, ha? 54 viewers. I'll get someone bread. One of you, one per piece. It's very yummy. Delicious. Freshly. Yes. The matches of coffee. Tabo. Thank you, Tayo Ismael. We get someone bread, guys. Please eat. Yes, you get someone, no? Very yummy. If you have a chocolate, you can dip the bread, the chocolate.